IVM.
Namaskar, dear friend. Good to see you here on Begin the Journey. I am grateful. I really am. I truly am grateful because I really think that when I am grateful, I can realize the true potential of things that are being available to me. People think that gratefulness is an act that you need to put up. No, don't do anything as an act, dear friend. Do it only if it adds value to yourself. That's my relationship to gratefulness. Do you know, you love to go to places which are beautiful. You love to meet people who are amazing. You love to have experiences which are rich. Do you know all those are inside of us recognizing it? I've gone through many instances in which I've not recognized the wonderful thing that is there. And then a few years later, some time later, somebody has just reminded me and I say, oh yeah, that place was beautiful. And I kind of overlooked that, or I missed that opportunity. Gratefulness is actually going deeper into each moment, going deeper into each relationship, going deeper into each conversation and realizing the gold which is lying there. When I am grateful to things. Now, how do I get grateful? Well, I first don't overlook it. When I look at anything that is happening around me, it could be me cuddling my friends, beautiful to Laika and Sasha. Earlier, I used to push them away, thinking, yaar, they are troublesome. They used to always lick me when I used to wear my shorts. But now, over the past few days, as I'm in their environment, I am recognizing the love and warmth that they bring. I am seeing each cuddle as a blessing, as a way of life to cuddle me too. Remember, my friend, life is all there only in context. If you create a powerful context for yourself, which fulfills you, then that's the context which is going to drive you. Gratefulness is my opportunity to create that I am at the receiving of the beautiful gifts of nature, much beyond things that I wanted or asked for or worked for. I really see nature and the universe gifting me things. Now just imagine how you would feel when you are gifted with things. We feel great. I promise you. Typically, your and my life has a long list of people who haven't delivered what they should have, what they could have. Far from being grateful, we are angry and upset at the opportunities which didn't come our way. What people could have done, what they didn't do. Oh, the things we could have done, but we did not. Regret, regret, regret. Regret has got one horrible part. It has happened and we are holding on to it. On the other hand, when I turn grateful, then I actually look at the string of things that have been happening around me, a string of happiness. And then when I look at those things and look deeper, I say, wow, I've been actually gifted with these things. As a professional actor, actors need more roles. And, that's something which we count our success, personal success and happiness with. I have done 230 plus films across 11 languages. And do you know what? 6 of the very big directors in this country are my dear friends. I've just worked with one of them, and that too as a guest appearance. I can be upset, why haven't those amazing directors given me roles? But you know what? I start looking at the 230 other directors who probably never knew me, who gave me roles. When I look at it that way, I may have friendships with many, and people who don't know me are there to stand support for me. Remember, my friend, when I am grateful, I get that friendship is not just for getting something from this person. Friendship is more than that. Friendship allows me to actually savor things without asking something in return. Because I know that the universe is gifting me things. As I'm grateful to each moment that is touching me, each relationship that I am in, Each person that I meet, each work that I do, each interaction that I have the privilege of having. Dear friends, being grateful allows me to see the richness of the universe around me. I am inviting you. Look at the richness of relationships that you already have. Look at the richness in the stuff that the world has already given to you. And building on that, create more value. As I'm grateful each day, I'm gifting myself a day which is rich and which is generous. Nothing is more fulfilling than living in a world which is rich, generous, and caring. I'm grateful to the universe that I have this opportunity to share this message with you. Al Shukran Bandhu. Al Shukran Zindagi. I thank you, dear friend, and I thank life for this opportunity. Do share your thoughts, what you got for yourself when you could be grateful to everything that has come your way. See you next time on Begin the Journey.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I want to let you all know about 2 new shows that we've launched this week. The first one is Millennial Athlete, hosted by Tanvi and Shlok. Both of them are, they spent their life playing badminton, and they know a lot of athletes, and they want to talk about the particular challenges that athletes face. Really, really great conversations. Do definitely check that out. The other show that I wanted to mention to you that we launched this week is Naan Curry. Naan Curry is a show it's about food and the history of food and the economics around food and its consumption and all that kind of stuff. It's a really, really interesting conversation. It's hosted by Sadaf, Zanata chef and former MasterChef India finalist, and Archit, who is a researcher who writes on behavioral science and economics. Definitely worth checking out. Besides that, we had a great week as always, right? Great stuff on all the normal shows. Do check those out. But with that, hope to see you again next week.
Whether you're an established sports person or a budding one, or simply a sports enthusiast, join us, Tanvi and Shlok.
We are 2 passionate pro badminton players talking policy, mindset and everything sport.
So tune in to the Millennial Athlete every Monday.
Only on the IVM Podcast Network.
Trust us, it's gonna be lit.